Alright guys, so today I'm going to be creek fishing at my neighborhood creek, or in the park near me in a creek. I'm going to be fishing with this grasshopper crankbait something. I don't know, I'm going to try to be catching some today. So I'm going to tie that on, and I also have some other baits that I will try. See if I can catch something, but those other baits are going to be for a different area. So we will see if I catch anything today. You know, I usually fish with bread here. Cricket tied on. I'm gonna see if I can't catch anything. Oh, I see a bass over there. There's a snake that's eating a catfish right now. I wish you could see this. There's a snake eating a catfish. Oh my gosh, I think this catfish is like fighting for its life. I don't know if you could see this. Oh my gosh, I think this catfish might lose. No way. Oh, I feel bad for him. Come on, catfish. Catfish, come on, catfish, I knew. I believe in you. Oh, he's coming up. Oh, I don't know if you saw that. Oh, please. Oh my gosh. That snake, I just saw him yoink that catfish out from under a rock. I think this catfish is done. I don't know how this, oh my gosh. I think that's a copperhead. That's a copperhead. I don't know what kind of actually snake it is. I don't know what kind of snake it is. I'm not sure if it's venomous. Oh, I think it won. Yeah, the snake won. Nope, the catfish still got energy. He's still fighting. Oh, this is great. I never expected this. You know, I was gonna go in the water to go wade down this creek, but not quite sure about that now. Oh my gosh, there's just fish watching this snake eat him. Oh, I feel bad. Oh, this snake is just trying to get him. Oh, they're on the bottom. I think snake won. Snake's gonna win. Snake hasn't lost grip yet. This is a 3-minute battle. Who do you think's gonna win? I hope the fish wins, because, oh my gosh. Please. Come on, snake. Fish, come on, fish. Come on. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Why isn't my touchscreen working? Oh, he's right here. Oh my gosh. They're right under me. He's right under me. He's right here. Oh, he has a catfish. He just got a catfish. Oh, he's taking it. Oh, that's kind of a big snake. Yo, that snake is like, ooh. My gosh. This snake is trying to get him out of the water. Oh, this snake has not lost his grip. I'm not sure if you can see him, but he's right there. He's right there in between these rocks. Right down there. Oh, catfish. No, come on, catfish. This is a catfish in the creek. I've only caught one catfish once, and it was down further in the creek. I was going to do some fishing. I'm still gonna do some fishing, but I gotta get this. This is great. Oh man. Holy cow. There's a snake eating this catfish. Yeah, this is crazy. I think snake has won. Snake. Oh, oh yeah, look at the snake. He's trying to get him out. Yeah, that's a copperhead for sure, I think. Pretty sure that's a copperhead. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's just down there. What's happening? Oh, wait, something's happening with my GoPro. Oh, that snake is... I want to film him eating it. Yeah, I can see him. I'm not sure if you guys can, but he's eating him down there. Yeah, that is so cool. Where he's just getting bit by a snake. Oh, got one already. Yes, this is why I came back here. I already got one. First cast. Dang it, I freaking hate you now. I knew I should have brought pliers. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out. There's a nice little bluegill. Alright, I'm gonna head back home real quick and go grab a pair of pliers. Alright guys, I made it back to the spot. This is what I'm gonna tie on. No way, no way, no way, I got one, I got a bass. I knew this Ned rig would work. I got it. Oh, this guy's been feeding good. Okay. Look at that guy. Decent sizer. I mean, he's being eaten good. Back up in here. Let's release him, let him go. So I can catch him another day. Alright guys, so I'm checking on the snake. Holy cow, he's like eating the whole entire thing. The whole entire catfish. He's literally eaten almost every last bit of it. I'm just gonna... He has literally almost eaten every last bit of it. He's just right down there. He's literally eaten every... No. Still got a little bit to go. He's got the spine. Once that goes in, that's not coming out on the spine. I don't know, he backed off. He's still there, but